In this problem, we're going to go through the definition of mode, median, and mean to try and figure out what the median, what are we looking for? The mean of a list rounded to the nearest integer. So take this list that we have, A, B, 49, 44, 17, 50. They're numbers that are not sorted, okay? And we're told that the mode of the list is 17. Okay, so the mode of the list of numbers is 17. Well, that's useful information. What mode means is the most common. That means if you look at this list, first of all, 49, 44, 17, 50, none of those are repeats. To get a most common number, that means either A or B is going to be a repeat. Doesn't matter which one you pick. Let's just pick B. Okay, so we're going to change B to 17 so that this matches what I was told. The mode of the list is 17. Now what I want you to do is reorganize this thing in order this time. So 17, I've got another 17, and then I've got 44, 49, 50, and there's this number A, which I'm not really sure where that goes. Okay, so I don't know. Could be over here. Could be in the middle. Could be on the left. Well, actually, let's write all three possibilities here. There's one possibility. Here's A if it's small, like maybe A is 10. Who knows? Then we would have something like this. 49 and 50. Okay, and I want to talk about the median in each of these cases. We know that the median is 34. Okay, that's what we're told. Well, let's figure out what the median is for each of these two cases, and we'll see why this isn't really working out so far. Remember what the median is. It's the number right in the middle. Okay, that's kind of like here. So in this case, the median is, well, whatever's halfway between 44 and 49. 44 plus 49 divided by 2. Okay, so that's 46.5 for a median for this one. You can round it if you want, but it's not 34. That's clear. And if we try that on this list, where A was very, very small, we get the following. Median is, let's add 17 and 44. Divide those by 2. 30.5. I don't care if you round it up or down. That's not 34. So what that means is A, this unknown variable, does not belong at the end or the beginning of these lists. And if it's the second or fifth entry, that's not really going to change anything either. What's going to change something is if we write the list this way. Okay, we're going to have to write this list now something like the following. 17, 17, 44, and 1, 2, 3, 4. How many numbers do I have in this list? 6. Yeah, okay, that's what I thought. 17, 17, 44, A, 49, and 50. That's a possibility. Or this, 17, 17, A, 44, 49, and 50. These are sorted lists. I'm not sure if A is between 44 and 49 or between 17 and 44. But let's, again, think about what the median is. Well, take a look at this list here, the first one here. I know the median has to be between 44 and A, where A is a bigger number than 44. Well, that means the median is greater than 44. Nope, that's not true. It's 34. So if you look at this one, in this case, I know the median is equal to 34. So how does the median equal 34? Well, that means that 34 is halfway between A and 44. Okay, well, that means 34, and I'm going to say this in algebra now instead of words, is halfway between these two numbers. Okay, now we're going to do some algebra. Multiply each side by 2. 68 equals A plus 44. Subtract, and we get A equals 24. This is a big breakthrough. Now we know all the numbers in this list, and we can just add them up, okay, and find the mean. So I'm going to say the mean of this list equals, 17 plus 24 now, plus 44 plus 49 plus 50. Add those all up, divide them by 6. Let's see what we get. 17 plus 17 plus 24 plus 44 plus 49 plus 50 equals something where if I divide it by 6, I get 33.5. Okay, the mean is 33.5. So what did it say? Rounded to the nearest integer? No problem. 33.5 rounds to 34. We are done.